When the milkshakes were introduced, Sharjah Shake was having a VIP place among the milkshakes. Let's see how can we make it tasty and easy, yet a creamy Sharjah Shake at home. I have taken 500 ml of milk. Here we are getting milk in a bottle, and that's the reason I have poured this milk into a zipper bag and kept in freezer for some time. Once it's completely frozen, we can take it out. I'm just crushing it lightly and keep it aside. Here we are taking the frozen milk instead of the milk as such to get a chill texture to our shake. Next, in a mixer jar, I am adding 3 small bananas, 3 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of Horlicks. I have taken the normal malt classic Horlicks. Normally we get Horlicks in different flavors, right? Chocolate and vanilla. I have taken the classic Horlicks. If you don't want to add this much of sugar, you can reduce the quantity, no issues. The next ingredient that we are adding is peanut jaggery bar, which is not so common in preparing milkshakes, and that's the highlight of this milkshake. I'm taking 2 medium-sized pieces of this peanut jaggery bar. Then I'm adding quarter teaspoons of instant coffee powder. I'm adding a little milk to make it into a creamy paste. Now we have got a creamy paste. To this creamy paste, I'm adding the frozen milk which we have crushed lightly a couple of minutes back. I haven't grinded all these ingredients together because if we are grinding all these things together, some of the ingredients will not blend well with the frozen milk. I have vivid memories of my college days related to this special milkshake. We had a cafeteria nearby our college and we used to take this Sharjah shake from that cafeteria in the evening along with my friends. Now our tasty Sharjah shake is ready. I hope you all will like this video. If yes, please let me know by comments and you can share it with your friends and families. Keep watching.